In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Progressive car insurance. To get started, go to the Progressive website or open the Progressive mobile app. Once you're there, choose auto insurance to begin your quote. This is the section where you'll enter the details needed to receive a personalized estimate. If you're using a phone, the layout may look a little different than it does on a computer, but the process is generally the same. Next, enter your personal information. This usually includes your full name, home address, date of birth, and driver's license details. Make sure everything is entered accurately, because even small mistakes can affect your quote or cause delays later in the application process. It's a good idea to have your license nearby before you begin so you can move through this step more smoothly. After that, add your vehicle details. You can typically do this by entering your vehicle identification number, also called the VEN, or by manually providing the year, make, model, and information about how the vehicle is used. For example, the insurer may ask whether the car is used mostly for commuting, personal errands, or other driving purposes. Be as accurate as possible here, since usage can impact your pricing and coverage recommendations. Once your vehicle information is entered, choose your coverage options. This is where you'll select things like your liability limits and deductibles. You may also be able to add optional coverages, such as comprehensive, collision, roadside assistance, or rental reimbursement. If you're not sure what to choose, take a moment to read each option carefully so you understand what it covers and how it may affect your monthly or total premium. Then review your quote. Look over the premium amount, the coverage details, and any discounts you may qualify for. This is an important step because it gives you a chance to confirm that everything is correct before moving forward. If something doesn't look right, you can usually go back and make adjustments. If you're happy with the quote, go ahead and purchase your policy. You'll choose your policy start date, enter your payment information, and complete the application. Before submitting, double-check the effective date and payment details to avoid any gaps in coverage. Finally, access your policy online through your Progressive account. From there, you can download your insurance ID cards, manage your policy, and make payments whenever needed. Keeping your account set up and easy to access can make future updates much more convenient. And that's how to get Progressive car insurance from start to finish.